Speak right, Africa.
The sound of your voice says a lot about you. That you are happy, sad, excited, rude, polite, respectful, commanding, and on. Make the sound of your voice work for you.
Lesson 8. Rhythm and Poetry. In today's lesson, we shall learn about English rhythm. English rhythm is achieved by applying the principle of loud and faint parts of words. Here is a poem that will help us appreciate rhythm in speech. I read to expand my knowledge, barricaded by no hedges, pushing edges, making pledges, building around me no wedges. I read to go places, travel to see different races, seeking faces, learning graces, crossing borders with no traces. I read to chase away boredom, to have my own little kingdom, acquiring wisdom, personal income. You know that I have a fiefdom. I read because it gets me pleasure. To gather information I treasure, words without measure, just see my composure. This is what I do with my leisure. Questions. 1. Identify the loud syllables in each line. What creates rhythm in speech?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Onkwacher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words. Guy, hair, half, hang, happen, loyal, loyalty, restaurant.
Speak right, Africa. Speak right, Africa.